Hey everyone, I'm Andrew and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the TP-Link 8-port Gigabit desktop switch. So looking at the box, of course you have the model and brand in the top left letting you know what it is and who's selling it. Picture of the item right in the center. Little sticker or something up there letting you know that this is a business solution. However, this will be a home solution for me. You don't have to be using this for your business. Then just some features listed down here letting you know it's plug and play. It's got a compact metal housing, which I've always been a fan of the metal ones. I've had plastic ones before and they seem to fail. I've had a metal one forever, a 5-port one, and it just keeps going. It's got green technology, which means it's going to use less power, traffic prioritization for things like gaming or Netflix, something like that, and multicast optimization. But that's about it for the front, so how about we take a look at the sides? Looking at the first side, of course, you got what it is and the branding, of course, the TP-Link 8-port Gigabit, sorry. And then just some bullet point features and specifications listed down each side, letting you know some information you would want to know about the product before buying it. Looking at the opposite side now, it's basically just a little less information. You have the TP-Link branding and what it is again, and this is just listing the package contents, being the actual switch itself, power adapter, and installation guide. Looking at the back of the box, kind of gives you a little diagram here showing you how you would connect it. You would go from your modem, your internet, to your router, then from your router to your switch, which you would connect all your other devices to. So it's basically like a splitter. It splits the internet between all your devices. Then just under that lets you know that it's easy to use with a plug and play design. A couple bullet points down here. Highlights performance. QoS ensures smooth traffic for latency sensitive applications like Netflix or gaming or something like that. Just a couple more bullet points letting you know the performance of the item, but that's about it for the box itself. The top, not really much. Just got the TP-Link brand right in the center there. Little phone number for the limited lifetime warranty if you need some tech support. And on the bottom, just basically telling you what it is in multiple different languages. You got the model, serial number, and for support and warranty, again, please visit this website. So if you don't want to call the number on the front, or top, I should say, just go to that website. But that's about it for the box, so I think it's time to get rid of this plastic and open it up. Okay, so I don't think I'll actually need it, but I grabbed my trusty unboxing knife here. Let's get this plastic off and open the box. To do that, I'm just going to cut right in the seam here, hoping not to damage the box at all. Close this back up and see if we can't just pull this plastic off. Get rid of that packaging right there. And there's no tape or anything on this box, so it should just open right up. Make sure it's on camera. Pull this flap up. Alright, so it seems to be another little cardboard container there holding everything, so just slide that out and get rid of this box. And alright, so it's packaged in there nicely. It's in its own little plastic bag. Put the knife to the side. Just pull this right out the top. As you can see, that's the actual Gigabit switch itself right there. Before we take that out of the bag, let's see what else came in this. As it said, it has on the outside of the box, here's your TP-Link installation guide. It's kind of weird booklet, or is it a pamphlet? It's a pamphlet. Alright, there you go. Giving you your LED explanations, your link and activity on running no device flashing at 1000 megabits, running at transmitting receiving data, yellow flashing, transmitting receiving data. So yeah, it tells you depending on what color it's flashing, that's how fast it's working. And then down here, it's just a little connection diagram letting you know how you should connect this whole thing, being your internet to your router, your power to your switch itself, and then any of your wired devices plugged into a free port. Looking at the back, just has some frequently asked questions. Make sure you can see that. Yeah, frequently asked questions, QR code, declaration of conformity, safety information, and then just your general specifications right there. Hopefully you can read all that. But that's about it for the manual that comes with it. So we'll put that to the side. See what else is in the box. We have the TP-Link installation guide and contents. This is another little pamphlet, not an actual booklet. Once again, just quick little guide on how to set it up. So, alright, if you have a non-PoE or a PoE, power over internet, or Ethernet, sorry. Same thing, multiple different languages on both sides. Toss that to the side. And then, last but not least, seems to just be the actual power adapter. Oh, and some little feet. That's good, because this will be sitting on glass, so being metal, I don't want it to scratch up anything. As you can see, the 4 spots for the feet. Alright, and then the power adapter, no really descriptions on it. Oh yeah, that's the TP-Link technologies right down there, if you can see that. I don't know, it's kind of dark. And it is a 9 volt, 6 amp power supply. 0.6 amps power supply, I should say. Alright. And it's one of these little barrel connectors. And then all we have left now is the switch itself. Being that dark blue color that they've been forever, you have the chrome around all the actual ports. Then you know that it's a TP-Link 8-port Gigabit desktop switch. You have your model, the TL-SG108 on the top right there. Your power with the LED. Then there will be an LED above each one of those, letting link and activity LED. On the back, you have your TP-Link with your model, just some information letting you know that it uses a 9 volt, 0.6 amp power supply. And that it complies with FCC rules, all that stuff that you would get on that. Right here, you have your mounting brackets if you want to mount it to something or on the wall or something like that. I'll probably be doing that. I do like to keep my switches away from my cat because she likes to play with wires. And then looking at the back, you have your little Kensington lock. I've never used one, never known someone that's used one, but it's there if you want it. You have your power connector right there where you would plug your power supply into. And then, of course, perforated on each side, just, for passive cooling. Keep the device cool, right? But that's about it for the TP-Link 8-port Gigabit desktop switch. And if you're interested in picking up one of these, possibly just learning more about it, I'll have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.